Broccoli sprouts. They're tiny, they're green, and they taste vaguely like someone dared kale to get even more intense. But don't let their humble size fool you. These microgreens are packing a compound so powerful it could make your cells throw a thank you party. That compound is sulforaphane, and it's been quietly gaining a reputation as one of the most potent natural agents in the business of detox, DNA repair, and epigenetic finesse. In short, it's the nerdy little chemical that walks into your cells and rewrites the rules of aging, wearing a cape made of cabbage. Sulforaphane is part of the isothiocyanate family, and it's born when you chew or chop cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, or kale. But broccoli sprouts? They're the royalty here, offering 10 to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. It's like getting a full season of detox benefits compressed into a crunchy little handful. So, what does sulforaphane actually do once it's inside you? First up, detoxification. Sulforaphane activates phase 2 detox enzymes. Those are the molecular janitors that neutralize and clear out toxic waste products, from pollutants to byproducts of metabolism. It flips on genes like NQO1 and glutathione S-transferases, GSTs, which help your cells mop up potentially carcinogenic compounds before they turn your DNA into a crime scene. It's not just helping your liver, it's giving your whole body a molecular spring cleaning. Then there's DNA repair. Sulforaphane doesn't just want your genetic code intact, it demands it. It helps upregulate the expression of repair genes like BRCA1 and HOG1, which are responsible for correcting oxidative damage and double-strand breaks. In aging cells where the repair machinery is getting sluggish, sulforaphane acts like a caffeine boost, reminding the genome that sloppiness is not an option. It's like giving your DNA repair crew better tools, better lighting, and a playlist to work faster. But where things get really sci-fi is in the realm of epigenetics. This is the landscape of gene expression, the on and off switches that determine how your genes behave without changing the underlying DNA sequence. Sulforaphane is a known inhibitor of histone deacetylases, DACs, which are enzymes that silence gene expression, often in ways that promote inflammation, cancer, or metabolic dysfunction. When sulforaphane enters the scene, it effectively unplugs the silencers, reactivating tumor suppressor genes and other protective pathways that tend to get shut down with age or chronic disease. And here's the twist. It doesn't just ramp up good gene expression and tamp down the bad, it seems to do it intelligently. In inflamed tissues, sulforaphane dials down pro-inflammatory mediators like IL-6 and TNF-A. But in normal tissue, it doesn't mess around needlessly. It's a molecular minimalist, doing just enough to bring balance without overcorrecting. Your cells might not say it out loud, but they're basically whispering, "Thanks for the upgrade." On top of all that, sulforaphane supports mitochondrial health, helps regulate glucose metabolism, and even has neuroprotective properties. Studies suggest it can cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce neuroinflammation, making it one of the few compounds that's as friendly to your neurons as it is to your liver. That's right, broccoli sprouts might be protecting your memory and your metabolism while you're just trying to make your sandwich look healthy. And the best part? You don't need to grow a full farm to benefit. Just a few tablespoons of fresh broccoli sprouts a day can provide a clinically meaningful dose of sulforaphane. Or you can blend them into a smoothie and pretend you're doing high-tech medicine with a straw. So while the phrase, "eat your vegetables," might sound like boring health advice, sulforaphane flips that script entirely. You're not just eating greens, you're programming your genome, repairing DNA, scrubbing toxins, and possibly future-proofing your brain. It's not just nutrition. It's biochemical micromanagement, and it's coming from a sprout so small it fits in your palm. The future of cellular health is cruciferous, crunchy, and seriously underestimated.